like you just gotta be patient with these things. They down up in that brush pile.
Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's KB. How y'all doing out there? I finally got my baby back the other day. And what it was, which is my truck, the differential went bad. Man, I'm gonna try to show some of these pictures what went on in the inside, but Ford. That's why I tell you, you know, if you can afford it or whatever, get your warranty. But man, if it weren't for that warranty, I've been coming off some money. They put me a brand new differential in, and we back rolling. Let's see if I can get y'all a picture on it. Brand new differential right there. Rear end, brand new rear end. She ready to go now. What I got going on right now, I'm finna do a little upgrading. See these right here? Man, I'm tired of them things. I've been having them on there for a minute, and I'm just sick and tired of them. Yeah, we're gonna get rid of them. Sometimes I be trying to lock these things down, and man, hitting your hand and straining, and I'm done with all that. I'm finna put these bad boys on here. That's what we got. We're putting them on right there. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go step by step on what I'm gonna do, and I already got that one. I ain't got it mounted, but I already got it where I'm gonna set it up. I'm gonna set it up. By running up my market. Stay tuned. All right, YouTube, I picked up some half-inch stainless steel because this is one solid bar, so I'm about to go all the way through, and I'm gonna go all the way through, and that's where it's going. That's the length, so it'll work out perfect. And got me some lock nuts. I'm gonna mark my spot. I'm gonna mark my spot with this little scrape this. I'm gonna mark that. And so that's where we're gonna drill our hole at. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. You got it going all the way through. So stay tuned. We're gonna mount this puppy. Get my ratchet. And grab this backboard. Damn. Oh yeah. And these are stainless steel also. Oh yeah. Then you want to release it. You pull the handle, pull this down, and you release it. That's it. Man, when I tell you that's gonna come in handy, you ain't gotta be holding up the dock. Look at that. Yes, yeah. Oh yeah. I'm gonna get this other one mounted, and we're gonna wrap this show up. Stay tuned. There it go, people. We got it in. Man, it didn't take me nothing but about 10 minutes. That's all it took, 10 minutes. Drill them holes, and we back on it. I also did one up in the front, just for safety, you know. I got my winch, and then I got this one. I got this one up here for, you know, safety reasons. Make sure everything is snug. So when we rolling, she tight down. Straight hook is tight down, baby. Yes, sure. So I got one more upgrade. I'm gonna upgrade that my pump. That's my Livewell pump. What I'm gonna do, normally when I have my pump on, this before I decide to switch it. This is the pump. This is the filter to keep trash from coming in your pump, right? So when I'm in the front of the boat and the weight is shifted, this part lifts out the water. So my pump really stops bringing water in, and I would have to kind of walk back, and then it'll finally go back down in the water and regroup. But this time, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my new pump on, and I'm gonna have this drop down so I'll never have to worry about getting water to my pump. That's what we're gonna do. Stay tuned, and we're gonna get started. That's my old pump down there. We're gonna get that out of there. And I bought this at Academy. Right here. That's what we're gonna install. Stay tuned. We're gonna get it done. First we're gonna get this off. I'm going to put some more seal right there so water won't come in. Get this pump out of here. Go ahead and put this. Oh man, let me give it a clamp. This is my clamp. It's down in here. A lot of this stuff lasted pretty long. Just wear and tear, man. That's all it is. Put that on now. We got that on now. Now we're gonna connect this in here. I don't think I want that sticking out there for like that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it a little bit so it won't stick out as far. Stay tuned. I think this is perfect. I cut it. I'm gonna tighten it down some more. But that's how we got it. It's gonna be perfect. Stay tuned. There you go. We got that piece tied in. I think that's perfect. And we're gonna hook up the wires and see if this baby do what it do. Stay tuned. It's my blouse pump right here. Just to keep that stable where it don't move. I think I'm gonna just zip tie that down right there.
Got it watertight. Got it watertight, YouTube fam. I'm gonna zip tie all this extra. Probably up this way. And we'll be done with this. Stay tuned. We got it on YouTube. And it's quiet. And we're ready to pump some water in the Livewell. We got that wrapped up. All right, YouTube. We got that in. The pump's running good. So we're ready to put our property and whatever we want, minerals and whatever in there. Got everything hooked up. My straps. Got another project. I got some new fenders I'm gonna put on. I'm gonna keep that one. Got one on that side kind of bent up, but I'm gonna keep them just in case I need them. You never know. Let me show you my new fenders. Got my new fenders and pads I'm gonna put on. But I got my truck back out the shop, so man, we about to get on this water. Straight hook, we about to do it. We about to do it. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, man. Just trying to grow my channel. Don't forget to push the notification bell so you get notified when I put out a new video. But just trying to grow my channel, man. Appreciate all the subscribers. Drop in some comments, man, and I just got approved for super thanks, but you know, donations, anything you want to donate to the channel, or it could be $1, 50 cents. I appreciate everything. And just trying to get my channel growing, and I appreciate everybody watching. It's KB. Hey man, I'll catch y'all on that water. Peace. God bless.